Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear RAM on Android. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one today is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on device care. Now hang on the device care, then scroll down, locate and click on memory. Once you selected memory, hang on for your memory to check for available cache and then memory space. Now to clear your RAM, just go ahead and click on clear now. Then hang on, this is going to help you to clear your RAM and improve your phone performance. And once you have everything cleared, then you see free up space. Can also go ahead and free up space as well to clear RAM. Just make sure you do this until you see you are in good quality on the RAM page, and then you are good. So that is basically how to clear RAM on your Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.